morning. Here I am again. Dito sa store, it's time. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, guys. 5 o'clock in the morning ba? Maaga yata ako bumising. Maaga po nagbukas, boss. Boss. Maaga po nagbukas. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, andito po. Oh, yan. Maaga ko nagbukas, guys. It's a morning day, guys. Aba, ako lang nakabukas dito sa market ng Sodeban. Oh. Tapos, ito ang market eh. Ito ang market, guys. So, yan. Oh. Okay, bye, guys. Thanks for watching.